Hey girl, are you looking for your next updo? Get into this look. And you see you have this drawstring bag you can store your hair in. Care instructions. Alright, so here's the drawstring ponytail. And you see you have the drawstring. You can tighten it, loosen it, open it up wide. See, that's the inside. You have two clips at the top and the bottom. Really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and wet this so I can roll it. And these are the rods I will be using. Okay, so I will be using this fluff stuff that's by Erica J, plus some water and a dimmer brush. Okay, I actually did the twist first and then I wet my hair, but it doesn't matter how you do it. And you see the curls. And as you can see here, I'm starting off with small sections and detangling it, going up the shaft of the hair. And also to just define my curls, you see them popping here. Now I'm going in with my foam lotion, putting that on the hair to help define the curls even more, and then just taking my rod and rolling it up the hair. And you can really use any other type of rollers that you have, or you can use aluminum foil and just roll that bad boy up. And I also recommend detangling your hair in small sections. Even if you're not rolling it up, just go ahead and detangle it so you can have these bomb beautiful defined curls for your drawstring ponytail. All done. Okay y'all, so it's been about a week, yeah, so we know this is dry. And then I also have some clip-ins. These are some old clip-ins, and you see I have two clips on it. I'm ready to cut that in half so I can have my two. All right, so I'm not exactly sure how I'm doing my hair. I am just ready to do it. Okay, it'll be a lot easier if I had more hair, but I don't, so I gotta work with that, guys. So let's go. Let me section it off one more time. Okay, so I'm do this center braid. Listen to me and do not do that center braid unless you want your head hurting and on fire, because baby, I had to change my ponytail, like take it down at least 3-4 times during this video. Okay, now I think I'm ready for my ponytail. So I have this middle base. I have my back section. I'm going to add that in. And I'm going to be adding my Murray's first, doing my ponytail, and then adding my sprays. And I'm using a good little amount. Don't do that. As a matter of fact, don't do any of these steps. Just put your hair in one ponytail. Trust and believe. Just put it up. Using some gel, girl. And as you can see here, I connected to my little base braid. Alright, so the second part, same thing. Okay, like I said, doing all of these sections caused me to have a really bad headache before I was even finished my hairstyle. And it's crazy because starting off, like while I was doing this part here, I didn't feel any tension or my hair wasn't hurting like at all. So yeah, overall, if you decide to recreate this look, just put it all in one ponytail. And if your hair is as short as mine, do it in sections. However, just don't do it really tight until you get to the perimeter, basically like the top, and you'll be good. All right. Now let's see what we're working with up here. All right, so I'm just going ahead and put my clip-ins in between my two pieces. And as you seen, they were curly back. I just took my hot comb and straightened them. That's all I did. And I got it right there, right at the clip. Alright, so that doesn't look too bad. So y'all make sure y'all click the link down below so you can go and get your drawstring ponytail or your clip-ins or both. So I'm gonna add a little beeswax where my hair ends. Why is my ponytail hurting? And you see, it wasn't until that moment that my head started hurting. And after that, it was a wrap. It was on fire. I got one too many rubber bands. It didn't feel like it was tight when I was doing it, but baby, my head hurt. My head hurt. Not me stuttering. I'll just wrap this while I do my ponytail. And now to the good part. Girl, be quiet. Your head still hurt. I like to call her Juicy. Okay. This is what we're working with. Put that here. My hair. Why my hair? Give me one more second. Okay, for the third time, I pray to God that this bun is okay. Oh, it hurt. Put the drawstring in the back. And put the top clip at the front. Let's pull this. Ooh! Oh my goodness! This is so cute. Alright, just wrap my drawstring around my ponytail. Not too tight because it's just not too tight. Oh my goodness. Let me take this off my head so I can see. Oh, auntie. Cute. I'm just gonna add hairpins until I'm satisfied. I'm trying to figure out if I want 2 pieces. I don't think I want 2 pieces. So let me take some pictures with these 2 pieces just in case you like the 2 peaches. What's poppin' tonight? 2 front bang pieces. Okay, this time I was really in love with this ponytail and the way it was blending in with my hair. And then the 2 front pieces just gave me a more elegant updo look. Okay, so I think I'm going to bring this side over. Let's take this side out. Okay, so I'm just add heat right here. This just needs to be messier. I just said, okay, that's it 10 times. And guess what? That ain't it. Why is my ponytail off again? I'm going all the way back to the source. Get your look up out of here. Don't do that. Don't do that part. You guys, I was on a struggle bus, honey. I'm not sure what was going on here. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. Baby. Alright, one more time. I was so over it. Just over it. Loki scared to tighten this. But listen, even though I had a hard time installing this ponytail the first time because I decided to add my hair in sections tight, and that was my fault because, like, why would I do that? But this drawstring ponytail, listen, that's my girl right there. This is definitely like a save me hairstyle because I've been using it to run errands like nobody's business. Yesterday, I didn't even tighten my ponytail and just threw it on there with some hairpins and I was good to go. And got a compliment. Side bang. So yeah, the side bang was my favorite. Look at the texture of this ponytail with the texture of my hair. It matches perfectly. Okay, so I wet my hair back up. And I'm gonna use my Erica J fluff stuff. And one thing about this foam lotion is that it will make your curls pop, like look really good, but it also will add a hold and kind of make them hard. So yeah, and this is about how much shedding I got the second around from detangling my hair. And detangling this drawstring ponytail, you do need to do it in sections if you want more defined curls, but finger detangling works well too. Okay, so it's pretty dry and I just use my diffuser. And look, here's the curls. They look really good. They're defined. And as you can see here, it's nothing to this drawstring ponytail. I was just being extra at the beginning with the rods. But you could really just put this ponytail on your head as you receive it. I just love this more and more. Like, it's so versatile. You could do so much with this ponytail. Okay, let's take that back off. Now I'm going to just keep molding it to my liking. Yes. I love it. Curly. Love. Okay, I don't think you guys understand that I could go for days styling this drawstring ponytail. Like, the options are endless. Click the link down below so you can go get you one, sis. Okay, one more look. I curled my hair back up. I blow dried it, tried to stretch it, but yeah, it said not today. All right, y'all, really quick, just in case you're not into all that extra and you want to be more plain, here you go, sis. I did this because last night I took this joint off, scratched my head, and I went to bed. Then this morning I was like, looking like Frankenstein. I said, okay, what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, I got my drawstring ponytail. Baby came back here, put some detangler on my hair, swooped it back, put it in the ponytail, threw on my drawstring ponytail, and boom, I'm ready to run errands.